Now let's just realize today, I am not perfect and you are not perfect. I make mistakes, you make mistakes. It's not easy for us to admit that mistakes. Amen? You know, one of the things that can tell you that you're not very honest about this is if you always make an excuse when something is wrong or when you did something wrong. Sometimes we just have to say, sorry, I messed up. Amen? It doesn't make me a bad person. It makes me an honest person. Amen? So what's the application for the church? When the church's members stop pretending and admit that their own flaws, it removes the pressure from all to be perfect. Think about that. If you and I stop pretending that we have everything in place and we become honest with each other, everybody feels safe. And everybody feels, okay, I'm not bad because I have struggles. I'm human. I'm only human. And then instead of judging each other, instead of criticizing each other, we accept each other. Why? Because I need that acceptance. And because I need that acceptance, I accept other people when they make mistakes. I need grace when I make mistakes. Do you need grace when you make mistakes? Okay, so if I need it, what should I do? I should extend it to others. And that's the way it should be in the church. And when we do that, we become a safe place where it's okay for people to struggle. They don't have to come in and feel they have to be perfect to be accepted.